In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL redirects on Shopify. A URL redirect helps guide visitors from an old or incorrect link to the correct page, which is especially useful after renaming products, restructuring collections, or cleaning up your site. It also preserves search engine value by making sure traffic and links keep working. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish so you can set this up with confidence. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com, then click on Login. Sign into your store as you normally would so you're taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand panel and click on Content. This is where Shopify groups tools that help manage what visitors see and how they navigate. From there, open the drop-down and click on Menus. Within this area, you'll find a section labeled URL Redirects. Go ahead and click on URL Redirects. This page shows any redirects you've already created and gives you the option to add a new one. Select Create URL Redirect. You'll see two key fields. In the Redirect From field, paste the link that your visitors might currently be using, the outdated or incorrect path you want to forward them from. This is typically the old page path. For best results, use the path that comes after your domain, starting with a slash like old page rather than the full domain. Next, in the Redirector field, paste the link where you want visitors to end up. This can be another page on your store or an external URL, depending on your needs. Again, using a clean path like our new page is a good practice for internal links. Make sure the destination exists and loads properly, and avoid creating loops by redirecting a link back to itself. When both fields look correct, click on Save Redirect. That's it. Shopify will now forward visitors who land on the old link to the new one. Redirects typically start working quickly, and they help ensure that any bookmarks, old links in emails, or search results continue to guide people to the right place without errors. Behind the scenes, Shopify treats these as permanent redirects, which supports your long-term search engine optimization. If you ever need to change or remove a redirect, you can return to the same URL redirects area and edit it later. Keeping your redirects organized is a simple way to maintain a smooth experience for your customers as your store evolves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward Shopify tips.